Hello friends, thanks for joining me again today. I'm going to begin by covering one half of this spread with this very colorful fabric. So I'm going to measure it out, mark it, and then I'll go ahead and cut it. Before I adhere it to this page, I wanted to add a little splash of color and sparkle. So I'm just using some craft paint, and it is a glitter paint. Now I'm going to go ahead and use Fabri-Tac to adhere the material to the page. For the other side of the spread, I'm going to use some very sheer lime colored material. I will also use Fabri-Tac to adhere that to the page. To embellish the right side of this spread, I've chosen this butterfly and flower picture. It kind of has that 3D look to it, and to add some texture, I am threading some purple ribbon through it. Since I am adhering it to material, again, I will use the Fabri-Tac. I am placing it on the top of the page, that way I will have room for a little envelope for journaling tucks. Now I'm going to move back over to the other side, and I'm going to add some journaling cards. I feel like this journaling card is kind of plain on the front, so I'm going to add some blue paint and some rose gold paint. Now I'm going to use some fine tip markers and outline some of the flower. As I've been working on this flower, I've been trying to decide what to do with the purple ribbon on the other side. So I think I'm just going to tie it in a bow and then trim the ends. Once I'm finished up highlighting and detailing the flower, I'm going to go ahead and begin working on the envelope that I'm going to create to hold the journaling tucks. Before I adhere it to the page, I'm going to punch some holes through it and thread some purple ribbon through. Now I will begin making my journaling tucks. I'm going to adhere this butterfly to the opposite page, but before I do, I am outlining it with some yellow. So I'm trying to tie some of the colors together on both pages. I don't love the card with the flower on it, so I've decided I'm going to turn that into an accordion card, and that way it won't be the first thing you see when you flip open to this page. In order to do that, I'm using an additional card, but I am also adhering a nice saying that I got from this calendar that I've been using like crazy throughout this book. And it says, "Laughter is my therapy." As usual, once I use the tacky glue, you see that I am spreading it out with my scissors. That way it spreads it really thin, and there's no air bubbles and there's no bumps in the paper. Now I am adhering the two cards together so that they will open like an accordion. I'm adding a little tiny piece of the purple ribbon, and that's so that you can grab a hold of it and pull the card open. I have finished the, we'll call it the butterfly page because there's some butterflies here. And a couple cool things about this page is, one, we have an accordion journal area. And if it gets opened this way, somebody can journal here. But also, they can flip this open and journal here. So that's nice. And then we have this little pocket here, and I put some ribbon in, and there are 3 journaling cards in here. They're small ones, but you know. So there's that page. Thanks for watching. See you soon.